This pandemic has overtaken our world and has had an impact on everyone's everyday lives. From not being able to do things we love to not being able to see the people we love, it has been a very hard time for all of us. Even though most of us are just staying at home, there are some people who have to leave their homes in order to carry out their jobs. These people are making sacrifices to help others and our world, and they must be recognized and congratulated. I want to make this thank you out specifically to all the nurses and doctors. They are continuing to go into work almost every day and are risking their lives in order to help save other people's lives. The sacrifices they are making are like no other, and the work is very appreciated and very crucial. Without them, even more people would be dying and people wouldn't be able to be saved. Thanks to all of their work and dedication, people are able to be saved and people's symptoms and pain are able to be reduced. This puts them at a very high risk, however, because they're coming into contact who have virus, and this puts their life at risk. Thank you, nurses and doctors, for putting your lives at risk in order to save other people's lives. We are all so grateful for you and for all the work you're doing. You are the true heroes in this pandemic, and you're helping us through all this. Thank you.
I'd like to take a moment to thank those healthcare professionals on the front lines in the hardest hit areas. I know that in cities like New York, healthcare workers have to work day after day in a sea of patients who are all infected with this horrible disease, but they continue to do their duty. Day after day, with their risk of infection higher than all others, they continue to do their work diligently where others can't. I'd also like to thank first responders who are constantly on duty, being rushed from place to place, many of them losing their lives as well. Though we are doing our duty by staying indoors, these people excel in that they go beyond what we ask of them to give so much more than we could ask for. Their courage and bravery is a model for all others, and I hope that they know their families and their communities are with them every step of the way.
I'd like to dedicate this to all the grocery store workers out there that put their lives out on the line every single day to make sure that we have the resources, the food, the cleaning supplies, and every single item that we need to be able to cope and survive in this crazy, unprecedented world. Thank you so much for all that you do for your families and for everyone out there. I appreciate you beyond words, and we are so grateful. Thank you.
Going into this project, I would really like to thank those people who deliver us food to our houses from Giant and other big grocery stores and brands. They put themselves in danger so that we can have food and stay in the safety of our homes, and I think that's worth commemorating, so thank you.
I dedicate this to everybody who follows CDC guidelines when they go out in public by wearing a mask, washing their hands, and maintaining at least 6 feet of distance. It might feel a little bit awkward, but if everybody contributes a little bit, we can all have a huge impact and flatten the curve.
I'd like to thank all the utility workers at Dominion Energy that keeps the electricity running in our homes. You make our learning possible. Thank you.